Hi! Today we are making a free motion quilting tutorial on a square for beginners, easy and super beautiful. Let's get started. Hi quilters! Thank you so much for having us. I'm Aline.
And I'm Natasha.
Today we are quilting a square for the season of squares. And it's called hydraulical tile, but we kept it simple for you, so it's H tile.
Okay, so let's do it. Here we are with our quilting board to practice the design before hop on the machine. What we're going to do is, the first thing, we already mark the center of this square. This is going to help us. It's not, mandatory, but it is helpful. And then we are going to start at some corner and do an arc and touch this center. And now we're going to do it here and back. It is a
standard arc.
Yes, standard is a good
It's not too thin, it's not too fluffy.
Yeah.
It's a very standard arc.
Yes.
And there is another way that you can do this kind of orange peel design, what is actually is like do the arcs from point to point, from corner to corner of the square, and then stop here before you finish this last one.
Yes. And once you are like this, in the middle, in the center of your square, what we're going to do is some other arcs that are going to be, similar to an echo here, but now we will not touch these similars. And now we will do another arc. This is a very smooth arc, and now continue with this echo arc here, back to the center, and now repeat this. Opa. And
Opa is oops in Portuguese.
Yes. And now, here we go. And of course, for this last one, we don't have this arc yet, so we need to imagine that. And again,
your family may be worried.
Yeah. So we start here. From the side, we already have an arc. Now another arc. What I mean by imagine, by now, you already did this 3 times, that you can do this and then this, okay? So, of course,
you will mimic this
the other
element that you already have in the design.
Yes. So, come back here, and now we're going to finish it with the last arc.
On this channel, we teach borders and fillers and very beginner-friendly designs. Now I think we should practice, this version of the orange peel base for this design.
Yeah. So one thing you will notice is that the larger your first arcs are, this
your orange peel.
Yes, your orange peel. The smaller this one will have to be. That's okay, but you can also do some arcs that are going to be more skinny here. I'm doing very skinny.
This actually works.
Yeah. And then you have more space to do this, and you can round it a little bit more.
You can see that if you do the orange peel traditional design, it gets a really fat, big, larger petal in the base, and it's harder to
do it narrow, I think. Not what you're going to say?
No, it's harder to... Oh man, the word.
What? Say in Portuguese, so okay.
Encaixar.
Fit.
To fit, yeah, thank you. It's it's harder to fit this element here.
Yeah.
But if you do not like an orange peel, but as the first
Like this.
step by step that Natasha did, she is already doing this for you right now, the very thin petals here, then you can add this kind of leaves. Let's go with that.
Yes.
Much easier.
Yeah, you have more room here if these first arcs are not too fluffy, you know, to be able to round it. So practice a lot on your quilting board or a paper sheet or whatever you do, and we'll meet you in the machine.
We are here. Thank you for meeting us. This is the center point that we've talked about. And now I'm going to do the arcs very narrow. Very skinny petals. Forgetting that this was once an orange peel based design, because this did not look like an orange peel at all. If you feel like practicing some arcs before this, we'll let you a tutorial here on the screen for you to practice before you do this. And all these tutorials are here available for you too. Now we are going to make the leaves that we call that. So one echo arc, smooth arc, echo arc, back to the center. Echo arc, smooth arc, echo arc, back to the center. Echo arc, smooth arc, echo arc, back to the center. And now we are imagining things like an arc here, and we will do an echo, an arc, an imaginary echo here. Now we are ready to do the very last arc here. Let's see this.
So here's our design H tile. Very nice, very easy to do. And remember, all of these designs and much more are available here in our channel for you to learn and quilt, and I hope you enjoy it.
Please comment if you liked and support our channel by sharing and subscribing. See you soon. Bye.